Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Mazda 3 BL hatchback Sport, stock reference number 4604. This shape runs from the 6th month 2006 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light. Bonnet appears to have no damage. It's fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has 3 dents. Left-hand side skirt. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. You have the left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Spoiler type. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right-hand sill skirt. Right rear door has one small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, climate control type, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.